Hello, welcome on The Watches TV, and today we are delighted to share with you, or should I say tease you, with a formidable and meaningful project from Greubel Forsey, which has just been revealed to the public. And to make it short, Greubel Forsey has conceived, developed, fabricated a timepiece fully by hand. So we're not talking only about hand finishing and the likes, but the full timepiece, each and single component done by hand. But, and that's one of the major twists, is that this handmade timepiece corresponds to the super high performance standards and quality criteria of modern watchmaking. It has been an immense task for the people implicated, and the good news is that since more than 1 year, where we have been following totally undercover the ins and outs of this incredible story, and soon we will be able to share with you the full journey, the human adventure behind this spectacular achievement. But good things come on due time, and today we will share with you an interview done more than a year ago with Stephen Forsey, who was telling us at the time what were the goals, why Greubel Forsey was embarking on this challenging project, and its meaning. So let's go back in time.
You know, it really comes back to the roots of Greubel Forsey. Why did Robert and myself start almost 20 years ago? We began our work by the first prototypes we made by hand on a jig borer or a precision micromechanics lathe. And there our first focus was to focus on hand finishing for Greubel Forsey as a very, very important and key factor, knowing that it would require several more steps to be able to again find the right people, the right tools, which are older machines now, but to have them, you know, prepared, and to bring this whole handmade approach even further. Then it's the skill. The difference is really what we sometimes like to call the intelligence of the hand. The gestures have to be an extension of the hand. So it means that you know, we are here in the workshop, what we call our atelier tradition at Greubel Forsey, and this means that here there is no numerical control, no computer driven equipment. To really master making the different techniques of components, different types, it could easily take 10 or 15 years of practice to get really to the top level, as we say, in terms of precision, to be able to make a reliable and precise handmade timepiece. And then if we want to go further, when we are looking at actually making the components, so we've been able to demonstrate together through a Timepiece Foundation and the project of Naissance d'une Montre that it was still possible today to again make components by hand. This is a very important step, of course, to help to bring attention and to widen the interest in the approach of hand making. Because for Robert and myself, this forms it's the genesis of watchmaking. Started with hand making 500 years ago. And so we consider this to be culturally important. These skills, the whole idea of bringing watchmaking together in a handmade framework. One of the things that we want to do is also continue what we began with Naissance d'une Montre. In that project, we were able to demonstrate that with a relatively small workshop of tools and equipment, traditional machines, you could actually make a complete watch.
Okay, I hope we teased you nicely, because sincerely I can't wait to share the full story, but we still have quite some work to do on our side till then. So all the very best, and a massive and respectful Viva Watchmaking!